The treatment of mental health is an important issue around the world. Here at Intra-Cellular Therapies, we are developing new drugs for the treatment of schizophrenia, bipolar disorder, Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, and other diseases of the brain. We started our company to develop technologies from the laboratory of Dr. Paul Greengard at Rockefeller University, who had just received a Nobel Prize. When we started our company, there were very few biotech companies here in New York City. We started in 2002 with early funding from the Partnership Fund and venture capitalists. Today, we're a public company. One of the things that I love about New York City is the ability to attract talent. Early on, we had collaborations with Rockefeller, with Columbia, with Cornell, NYU, Hunter, all the institutions in New York.
One of the largest untapped assets that New York City has is the biomedical research in our universities. We have some of the smartest scientists doing some of the most interesting, cutting-edge work. But when that science is commercialized, so when it leaves the university, that commercialization of that technology happens outside New York City. So we've been working with the city and with the state to create the conditions so that commercial biotech or life science companies want to stay in the city.
At Intra-Cellular Therapies, we've been able to achieve making new medicines that will impact people's lives. We are developing new drugs that will have a better safety profile over what currently exists and will be therapeutic against diseases for which there are no therapies presently. When we started Intra-Cellular Therapies, the Partnership Fund was very helpful to us. They're a very important advocate for life science companies in New York City. In our case, they supported us through several rounds of financing.
The exciting thing that's happened in the last year and a half is the public sector has come to the table with $1 billion of incentives to support life sciences. Johnson & Johnson is bringing their J-Labs incubator to New York. Cambridge Biolabs is bringing their incubator to New York. So we now have space for early stage companies. If you are a scientist that's looking to start a company, there are a lot of resources for you, and we would love to help you access some of them and help you start your company and keep it here in New York City.